Hi, welcome to my channel where we celebrate the tasty ingredients and cook delicious food together. In this video, we're going to make sweet and sour pork ribs. While I'm not a chef, I must brag about this recipe as the outcome is quite comparable to the restaurant made. It does require some patience and not that much effort still. Like always, the ingredients are listed down below in the description field. Let's get started. We're going to season the pork ribs first. Make sure they are chopped about the similar size. In a bowl, the cleaned ribs, add some cooking wine. You can add a little bit more salt, five spice, and ginger slice and scallions. Rub the meat, rub the ribs for a few minutes, and then we set it aside for about an hour or two. So it's seasoned, well seasoned. And in the cold water, we're going to throw in all of the ingredients that we just have mixed about 2 hours ago, the ribs and the ingredients. And we're going to bring it to boiling and simmer for about 15 minutes. Don't boil or simmer for too long at this step. The purpose of this step is really to get the blood out of the bones and make it clean. So 15 minutes later, we're gonna take out the ribs and wash them in cold water. And this is the product out of this step. Is ready to be used. In a little bowl, add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and then 2 tablespoons of dark rice vinegar. I forgot to tape record that portion, but make sure you add it. Add some salt and 5 spice. About 1.5 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix it well. In a heated pan, add about 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add that rock candy in there. If you don't have rock candy, then you could use brown sugar for about 2 tablespoons. Rock candy is very good to use for this case to make the color, the ribs more colorful, dark, the yellow-brown color after you saute. It's very hard, but I enjoy the process because it's gonna crack at some point. Just keep punching it. And stir fry the candy or the sugar for a while until it turns into the liquid yellow color, and then this is time to toss in the ribs. Saute them for a while until both sides turn into golden yellow brownish color. That means they're ready. So you continue in your pot for the next step. Keep doing it. This process is going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you don't use high heat. When you toss in the rock candy, that's the time you use medium heat. Otherwise, it could turn into very dark color and taste like burnish. You don't want that. You don't want a burnt taste. So keep doing it. Be patient. I call out that word at the beginning of the video. Does become some patience. Back and forth. Make sure every single rib is the same color. Look at the color changing already. It's beautiful. Now until all of them turn into this brown, yellowish, shiny color, you toss in a glass of garlic and some ginger slice. Don't mince them unless you really love the taste, because we're going to take them out before we put it into the dish. Now add all of those liquid mixture and add about 2 cups of water until whenever the ribs are all soaked in, and that's the time you know you have enough water. You will turn the heat up in order to bring the water or the liquid into boiling, and just keep simmering for about 40 minutes. Yeah, until the ribs are well cooked. So I'm just rinsing my spatula because it has some sugar on it. I don't want to waste it. So cover it. And wait for 40 minutes. You want to constantly watch it so that it's not burned. And until the liquid is almost ran out, this is the time that you're going to turn the heat. Make sure the heat is up again, it's to the high level, so that you can drain it. This is the perfect time for us to take out the garlic as well as the ginger. They are very soggy at this point, and it's not tasty, and it doesn't look good in our dish. So take them out while the liquid is getting sticky. And be patient again. You see the bubble is rather small right now. Wait until it turns into large bubbles, and consistent large bubbles. That means they are ready. Juicy at that time, and this is the period, this is the process for all of the liquid ingredients to be soaked into the ribs as well. So you can flip it back and forth to make it more evenly spreaded. Look at the bubbles are getting bigger and bigger. Make sure they are not dried out and burned. Flip it. Look at that color. I enjoyed even watching it. All of the ingredients are soaked into the ribs. And this is the time we're gonna add a little bit touch of vinegar again. I'm using the dark rice vinegar. You can use any type of vinegar. Dark rice vinegar is the recommended version here, just for the special taste. And then just stir fry for about 1 or half a minute until everything is mixed well together. It's time to take them out and enjoy. Look at that, how beautiful it is. Tasty, healthy, full of protein, and enjoy with a cup of rice. Thanks for staying with me today. Check out the other videos in my channel, and I'll see you next time.